Okay, working on this electro-harmonix Deluxe electric mistress flanger filter matrix pedal. Initially it had almost no effect, but plugging it in again and setting it up again, it appears to have some effect. Here's dry, here's effects on. But it sounds like it's not, the rate control is doing nothing. Range isn't doing much. And this switch here, appears only the color knob is really doing anything. And here's the pedal with the back cover removed. Okay, got the board removed and flipped over so I can see what's on top. And then I found a schematic online, so I'm just going to do a quick check on the power supply voltages, make sure that looks okay first, and then start tracing some of the circuits. So this little part here is a 7812 regulator, so it's a 12 volt output, and looks like the middle pin is ground, and then this would be the input. So I got that hooked up to my meter. So I got 19.7 volts going in, and that's probably normal. There's a transformer. This one's powered from the wall outlet. There's a transformer there, and some diodes to convert it to DC. Probably that big filter cap there is for the main power going in. And I'll measure the output here, which should be 12 volts because it's a 12 volt regulator. And we got 11.998, so it looks good. And sometimes I'll just do a quick verification that the AC voltage, that there's nothing extreme there. Make sure the filtering is good. And that's extremely small on the output, so that should be okay. Okay, I'm probing pin 8 of this LM324, which is an oscillator circuit. And it's controlled by the rate control. Right now it's sweeping across, and it's spanned way out to 200 milliseconds per division, so this is going very slow, and the frequency there is 999 millihertz, so basically 1 hertz. We've also got AC coupling on, that keeps the waveform just easier to see on the screen, and you can zoom in more. So I'm going to try adjusting the rate control and see if this changes. Okay, I'm back on pin 8 of the LM324, and here's the rate control I'm going to adjust. Now I'm fully clockwise. Zoom in a little bit and let it sweep. Now we're at about 10 hertz.